What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have 5 winning dropshipping products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys that are absolute bangers. Like, I'm going to keep it real. Each one of these are super brandable. You can sell these products year round. And I started this series just because I wanted to help beginners just like yourself find your first winning product. I know that it's hard to find one. I know a lot of people don't know the criteria behind it, and I hope these videos are helping you guys out. Not only am I going to be showing you 5 winning products that you can sell today, but I'm also going to be showing you the viral ads, the competitor store, so that way you can get some inspiration, and also the AliExpress link as well. So if you're excited for the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you can go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. And I'm extremely excited to announce that I just launched my dropshipping course. It's a full A to Z program that takes a beginner from literally not knowing anything about dropshipping to becoming fully advanced and making their first $10,000 per month. If you want to check it out, it'll be right at the top of the description. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you inside. All right, you guys, so hopping into product number 1, we're coming in hot, okay? Because this product has a brand that's actually crushing it right now. And it's definitely something that I feel like you can hop in the market and take some of that share. So this product is a red light therapy wand, okay? So it's basically for fine lines and wrinkles. You just put it on your face and it helps with that. So you can target a lot of a older demographic with this type of product. If that's the marketing angle you want to take. I feel like a lot of younger people would still use this as well, just to make their skin and their face a lot tighter. But anyways, it's a fantastic product. It's in the beauty niche. There's a massive market for this. You're gonna get this product for $13.55, and you can easily sell this for $29.99, $34.99, etc., depending on your offer. And if we come over to Facebook, this is actually the advertisement that I got targeted by. So it's literally just a woman just using the solar wave on her face, and I guess it helps her with the fine lines and her wrinkles, okay? Very simple. This is the type of advertisement that you're gonna wanna run for this type of product. You want people actually using it, showing before and afters. That's how you're really gonna be able to market this. And don't sleep on red light therapy, because that's actually popping right now. And a lot of people are making tons of money with that. So you do with that information, as you please. Let's hop right into the competitor site, which is fantastic. So this right here is their product. They have a ton of high quality images. Now their product page, they're doing it right, okay? They're calling this the 4-in-1 skincare wand. They're selling this for $169. I just told you guys that you can sell it for $34.99. Okay, I didn't even see the price until now. That's crazy. Okay, so they are making massive margins on this product, okay? And like I said before, they're doing a lot of before and afters, just showcasing that their product works. It also comes in 3 colors as well. And what's really cool is they have this make it a kit section where you can add the skin therapy activating serum as well, just helping you boost that average order value. I really like that. And if we scroll down again, you can see real customers, real results. This is what's selling this product, guys. The before and afters. Before and afters are always going to crush. If you can actually prove that it's the real person, you will have no problem selling. Okay, so results after 30 days, they show exactly how to do it. So apply serum, glide the wand, bask in your glow. This is a type of product that you're really gonna have to do some explaining, especially for people that are just getting into the whole red light therapy treatments. And then they ended off with some reviews. I actually wanna show you this graphic. This looks fantastic. But anyways, this is a product I definitely wouldn't shy away from. It's definitely worth a test. I mean, I came over and tracked this. They are doing $909,000 in estimated monthly revenue. So this is a product that can crush, and I definitely recommend that you try it out. Now, what's the point of me showing you all these amazing winning products if you don't have a reliable supplier to be able to source them from? And that brings me into the sponsor of today's video, AutoDS. Now, AutoDS is your all-in-one dropshipping platform that'll help you source winning products and get faster shipping times than AliExpress. As you can see, some of these products are getting shipped out within 2 business days, 6 business days, which is absolutely insane. So really quickly, I want to show you how easy it is to actually source a product with AutoDS. So let's just say, for example, this is the product that you wanted to sell. These are some flip-flops. All you have to do is just copy the AliExpress link, come back over to AutoDS, click on Add Products, Single Product, paste that AliExpress link here and make sure it's selected for the supplier source, and then click on Publish to Store. And now you'll see down here on the very bottom, item is being added to your store. Click here to track the progress, so just click here. And here's that product right here. All I have to do to finish the source is click on the 3 dots, click on Sourcing Request, and then process sourcing request. Now to check the status of your source, just come over to orders, click on sourcing requests, and then you're gonna see that product right here. You're gonna see the status that says ready. So what you can do is you can click on sourcing details, and this is going to take you to the product details screen where you're going to be able to see all the imagery. You're going to be able to see how much the product costs, what are the variants, what are the colors, what's the shipping and processing time, and so much more. Now all you have to do is just make sure that you go ahead and link your product. And if you want to customize further, like what variants and the actual photos that are being imported to your store, you could come back to the product screen, or actually go back to the order screen, sourcing request, and then you're going to find your product, and instead you're going to click on view product. Now this is going to take you to the screen where you're going to be able to look at all the variants, what's in stock, what's not in stock. You can also see the images, you can remove them, you can also add more, and then you can see the description. So it comes all preloaded for you. You can customize this and delete whatever you want and then save it to your store. So that's AutoDS. I highly recommend that you check them out if you're looking for a reliable dropshipping supplier. So if you want to check them out, I actually have a 30-day risk-free trial where you can add this right to your Shopify store. You can try it out. If you don't like it, no harm, no foul, but I promise you, you will. So again, go down to the link in the description, check it out, and let me know what you think. All right, you guys, hopping into product number 2, we have this wireless electric heating knee brace, okay? So as you can see, it's fully electric right here. You can also use it on your shoulders as well. And this product solves a massive problem because tons of people have knee pain, okay? And a lot of people will do anything if it means they can relieve it, even just for a little bit, okay? So as you can see, there's a ton of high quality images that you can use. You're gonna get the product for $20.83, and this product has a high perceived value, so you can easily sell this for $40 plus. And on top of that, you're also gonna need probably 2. So you can make an offer where people can get like a 2-pack for this product because they're gonna need to do both knees at the same time. Okay, so this product has a 4.8 star rating, over 700 units sold, so there's definitely a demand for this product, and it also comes in multiple colors. It comes in a gray, and it also comes in a black. Hopping into the competitor's video ad, I actually got targeted by this on TikTok. So I'm gonna play this video so that way you can get a gist of what this product actually does.
Say goodbye to bad knee pain. Meet the Heaties Knee Relief Brace, your go-to for targeted muscle relaxation and pain management. Get instant pain relief with soothing heat therapy and gentle vibrations that targets pain at its source. Try it today 100% risk-free and say hello to a more confident you.
So as you just saw, that was a pretty good advertisement. I probably would have done a better offer here at the end, a better call to action. But all in all, there's a ton of people using the product. You can see exactly how it works. It tells you that it helps with pain management. And all in all, it's just a great product. So here's the competitor that's selling this product. This is the Heaties Knee Relief Brace. They're selling this product for $39.99, and they're offering a single and a duo package. So the duo is going to give you 50% off and free shipping, and you're gonna get it for $64. So you know that this competitor is at least making $20 or so here, and then they're making their bang, here for the duo. They also have a ton of high quality gifts showcasing the product. So as you can see, there's people walking around with it, people, laying down and relaxing, and also showing the LED display. Experience ultimate relief. They have a 30-day guarantee, and all in all, this is a fantastic product page, okay? They have some customer reviews down here as well. I definitely would try this product out. It solves a massive problem, and you shouldn't have any problem selling it, especially if you have some testimonials. All right, you guys, so hopping into product number 3, we have this electric women's shaver. Now, if you've been paying attention to any of my social medias, you'll see that I've been posting about this product because it's super brandable, and on top of that, it's in the shaving, niche, like in the beauty niche. So this product has a massive market, and if anybody's been around dropshipping for a while, you know that these type of products just sell, okay? So as you can see by the photos, you can easily make a brand with this. I can see this being like a nice one-product store, okay? You're gonna get the product for $37.14. Now, I've looked around at some suppliers, and it's looking more so around the $18 to $20 mark for this product. And since it has a high perceived value, you can easily sell this for $40 plus. It comes in a blue, and it also comes in a pink color as well. But if you could tell by the supplier alone, there are 5,000 units sold of this product. And I know that you're probably thinking, well, if there's 5,000 units, that means it's saturated. I don't want you to have like a closed mind when it comes to selling products. If you see that there's 5,000 units sold, that means that the product has demand. 5,000 units in retrospect is actually really tiny. There's 8 billion plus people on this planet. So trust me when I say this is a product that has massive appeal and you can make a ton of money with this. So let me show you the competitor's video ad for this product.
Electric shaver for women can be used in the shower, outside of the shower, in your car, at the beach, by the pool, anywhere on your body, and it is phenomenal. This is actually the best purchase I've ever made. I don't care what your reasoning for needing one of these is, but for some reason, I just know that we all need one. It's quick, easy, it's honestly the best thing in my entire life. And this baby is on sale. I'm about to go get another one. You should too.
All right, so as you just saw, that's a pretty solid advertisement just because it's so natural. The lady's just sitting in the car, she's telling you about the product, and it just, again, comes off very natural. And that's exactly what you want to do with your advertisements. You want to make sure, again, that you're focused on like before and afters of the product, which you'll see here on the product page. I'll show you right now. So this is a company called Lanzarosa. They're definitely a dropshipping brand of some sort. They are calling this just the Lanzarosa Premium Shaver. They have the same images from AliExpress. It just looks like they added a 30-day money-back guarantee badge, which I really love. They're offering a buy one and a buy two. Buy one for $41, buy two for $74, helping you boost that average order value. I really like that. This is probably my favorite part of their product page, this slider right here. So it shows a before on the left side and after. And if you slide it, you can see the before and after, which is really cool and super sleek. So it just shows how close the shave gets by showing different gifts. No nicks, no cuts, no ingrowns. That's really good to highlight, especially for a product like this. They have a comparison chart, which is fantastic, showcasing like what their product does compared to other brands. And then they end it with some reviews. So this is a fantastic product page, and I highly recommend that you test this product because gadgets like this just sell. And as long as you switch up your marketing angle a little bit, try to come at it a different way and focus on before and afters, you should have no problem selling this product. All right, you guys, so product number 4 is something I cannot get off my For You page on TikTok. I literally accidentally liked one of the videos, and now all I get recommended is this product, and everybody and their mom selling it on TikTok Shop, okay? So it's this 7-in-1 electric cleaning brush. It's literally just for your shower, okay? So you can use it on multiple different places, but it's mainly for the shower, so that way you don't have to get on your hands and knees and scrub different areas of your shower. It makes it a lot easier. So as you can see, there's a ton of high quality images that you can use for your site. You can definitely turn this into a brand for sure. You're gonna get the product for $26. Obviously, this product has a high perceived value, so you can sell it for much more. Not only that, there are 329 of these sold, 5-star or 4.8 star ratings. So there's definitely a demand for this product. And it looks like it only comes in a white version, but I would make sure I double check. Now, this is the type of product that I would like to sell on Facebook ads, because a lot of people are selling this on TikTok Shop. And if you don't know this, a quick hack is to actually take products from TikTok Shop that are performing well and running them on Facebook ads. And this is a great example of a product just like that. All right, so checking this product out on TikTok, I literally just put in filters for the past 30 days. If I was to put it for like 3 months or 6 months, there'd be videos with millions and millions of views. But this is the past 30 days, and look how consistent: 164K, 40K, 36K, 31K, 30K. Like, there's a lot of people selling this product, and majority of the videos are people just showing their dirty, showers and them cleaning it. So this lady right here is putting Pine Sol down, and then as you can see, she's using the brush to easily clean it, okay? And that's pretty much it. That's what the product does. I mean, there's other videos of, other people using it for different surfaces, using it on their fridge, using it in their sink, using it on their oven. So there's a lot of different angles that you could probably take with this type of product. And instead of showing you a competitor, I'm actually going to show you people on TikTok Shop who are selling this product. So as you can see, this is literally the exact same product, $110,000 in a single month selling this one product, okay? 14.5K in just a single month selling this product. And these are multiple sellers. So again, the product has huge demand, and you already know that it's selling with TikTok Shop with just organic traffic. So imagine if you added paid traffic to it. All right, you guys, so hopping into the 5th and final product on this list. If you made it to this point, I greatly appreciate it. So I've actually mentioned this product in another top 5, I believe, but this product is still a banger to this day, and it's a product you can sell year round and easily make over $100,000 a month because the product has demand and it solves a massive problem, okay? Almost every woman on the planet could use this product, okay? So this is an electric period cramp massager, vibrating heating pad belt, okay? I'll try to say that 5 times. So yeah, as you can see, there are a ton of high quality images that you can use on your site. This is easily a product that could be turned into a one product store. It comes in a pink and it comes in a white color as well. And you're gonna get the product for $20.95, and you can easily sell this for $40 plus because it has a high perceived value. So basically how it works is just, it's an adjustable belt. So you just adjust it to your width, wrap it around your stomach area here, and then you can also mess with the different settings. So depending on where you set it is depending on how hot it is or how fast it vibrates, okay? So a really cool product and definitely something that solves a massive problem. So the video that I found is this one right here. So it has copyrighted music, so I can't play it, but it says, want to help your woman with your period, get her this. This is the marketing angle that they're going for this product. It's called Aegis. I believe that's how you say the company. So it just goes through the entire process, shows you exactly how to use it, how to turn it on, and then she will finally relax and you can just chill, okay? So great advertisement. It has 2,800 likes, and there are a ton of people asking where to get it. When can I buy? Or where can I buy? Where do we get that? How do I get one? Okay, these are the comments that you're looking for when you're searching for a winning product. And what's really cool is that this product or this company only has 300 followers on TikTok, okay? But you can see like one of their first view videos has 287,000 views, and they've already branded this product. So that lets you know that they're just now getting into TikTok, and that also lets you know that this product is a winner. So if you check out their site is actually not the greatest. There's actually a few other companies, I believe, that are selling this product right now, and they're doing it a lot better. So they're just calling this the Aegis V2 Cramps Relief System. As you can see, they're selling the product for $85. Now this site is kind of all over the place. I don't really like how they have this text set up here, but they have some pretty solid images of their product. They are branded because, as you can see, they do have their logo on the product. I really like this section. The thousands of happy women just shows a bunch of social media accounts of other people using the product. It's really important that you have this social proof. You want actual people using your product on your product page. It just helps you build that trust with your potential customers, okay? And as far as the rest of the product page, it's not really the greatest. They could have just condensed this. I feel like it just goes on and on, but they do end with reviews, which is always solid. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it, and hopefully you're going to test some of these products. Let me know in the comment section down below what product was your favorite and if you're going to test any of these. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next time.